Hello, in today's video, I'll show you top tricks for your HONOR Choice Watch 2 Pro. There's gonna be a few of them, and they can make your experience a bit more pleasant, a bit more productive, fun, and probably some of these things you might have not known about. So let's begin with the first thing, which is measuring three things at once with just one tap. When I put the watch on, okay, so I have the watch on, and if I go to this app right here, measure, I can click on start, and it'll start measuring stress levels, as well as heart rate and blood oxygen at the same time. So let's do it. I need to remain silent for 1 minute, and it's also important that I remain still, especially my wrist. And here are my results. 71 BPM, 99% of SpO2, which is a really good result. Everything above 90 is good. And stress, which is 11. And it tells me it's relaxed. So these are my results for now. Now, another thing is going to be a quick shortcut. When you double press on the side button, you can open a selected app. In my case, it's water log. So if I drink a cup of water, I can log it here. You can change it to a different thing. To do it, go to settings. Then go to preferences, now custom buttons. And you can set it to workout to easily open workouts. Let's do it. Sorry. Okay, and now you can begin a workout like indoor walking immediately. Let's do one more. Let's do something else like preferences, of course, custom buttons. And we can do, I don't know, like calculator. If you use calculator a lot, that may be useful. You can see it opens right away. Now, it's time for another one, which is going to be custom cards. Because you can also customize these cards. As you swipe left or right on the watch face, you open different cards, and you can customize them by going to settings, then preferences, then custom cards. You can add more by clicking on add. And you can see I have weather, compass, barometer, and altimeter. I'll do weather. I can move it. Sorry, I need to click on add here and then scroll down to got it. I can move it up, for example, to change its position. I'll put it between heart rate and SpO2. Now, it should be there. As you can see, I have the weather. That's useful, genuinely, I think. Yeah, so we have all those stats. That's great to have them. And yeah, now the next thing is going to be finding your phone. Finding your phone is useful when you want to locate it. You've put it somewhere, but you don't know where. You can play a sound on your phone to locate it easily. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen, then click on this button right here. Start finding, and it'll start ringing on your phone. I can now stop it if I have found the phone. I have. And yeah, that's almost the last one. The last one now is going to be sliding from the top and clicking on this button right here. It's useful after swimming, after submerging your watch in water, because it can drain the water out of the holes here. And to do it, click on this button. It's also worth shaking and tilting your watch in order to help it drain the water. And these are the top tips, tricks I wanted to show you. on the watch. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.